Good afternoon. This is Christopher with Virginia Tombstone Revival. Ronin and I were walking around looking for the other child's headstone that was born July 6th and died July 7th. And we just stumbled across this one.
Well, I stumbled across that and told you about it.
Well, okay, so I'm going to pull this one doesn't need to be clean. It's actually pretty good. So I'm going to get Ronin to spray just some D2 on it, but let's read it first. Clean some of this grass away. But yeah, today is July 3rd, 2024. And here we have Fonnie Delarice Hundley. And it looks like she was born and died July 3rd, 1953.
Another blue Tundra, exactly like ours, with a skeleton logo on the back.
So she's been out here for what, 70, what is that, 71 years? I'm so terrible at math.
Let me look.
Yeah, it's got to be 71, right? 71 years?
Probably
71
just
years
70.
today?
Probably just 70.
Well, this is 2024, July 3rd,
yeah.
So yeah, 71 years
71
today.
years today.
All right, go ahead, Ronin, and spray this one down with D2. Just give it a good spray. It's definitely, because here's the base right here, so it's definitely sank down quite a bit. But I don't see the need to dig this one up since everything is still legible.
This.
Yeah.
Sorry, it's just twisting up.
But okay, I think that's plenty good, Robro. And we'll check back on this one in a couple weeks to see its progress. But okay, but happy birthday, little girl. I'm assuming that's a little Fonnie. I'm assuming that's a little girl's name back in the day. But anyhow, happy birthday and rest in peace.
I'm back.
Ronin's back. Ronin's back because he wants to ride his dirt bike and my motorcycle. So he's back for.
And I decided to come out here for a little while.
Yeah, it's been quite a while since Ronin's helped me. So we're going to see if he sticks to it and if he helps me with this cleaning all the way through. Do you want to go ahead and read this one? Today is July 3rd of 2024. So this little boy's death date is approaching in a few days. So go ahead and read it, Ronin. Anthony A.
Miller.
Born
April 22nd.
Yep.
1951.
Yep.
Died July 7th, 1951.
Yeah, this little boy was born and died before my father was even born. Actually, Mama Di was less than a year old when this little boy was born. That's crazy. She's in her 70s now. All right, so you need to glove up, buddy. Your gloves are in here.
Are mine in there?
Yeah, in a small box right here. All right. Spray it with D2. Let that set up for a little bit.
What's that?
What's what?
That.
I don't know.
Weird.
All right. All right, I'm going to stop the video right here.
Burn.
I'm going to stop the video right here. Let that D2 set up. It's already activating. And then we will be right back. All right, this thing's been soaking down for a good little while now. All right, Robro.
All these balls are tight.
I know our white t-shirts are not gonna last, but
I love this t-shirt that I have on, so that's gonna be a shame. Probably have glasses on too.
Your glasses are in the center console.
Mine?
Yeah, your aviators. That didn't take long.
Same old center console.
Yeah, it's nice having Ronin back out here again. And tomorrow's July 4th. And we're going to go to the ocean front. There's a
well,
an
it ain't
80s.
on the center console.
Maybe I'm thinking of the car. I'm sorry. I think they're in the center console of the car. That's my fault. Yeah, tomorrow we're going to the ocean front to see an 80s cover band called the DeLoreans. And then we're going to hang around there and watch the fireworks from the ocean. I think that'll be really cool. We're going to bring our bikes and ride the boardwalk because we've never actually done that. I've always wanted to with him. Look at my shirt already.
Well, that's because you're like doing it that way.
Yeah. Plus, I got the big slinger one. Let me get the scraper. There's a lot of growth on the back here. Yikes.
Trying to help you out a little bit. Yeah.
This one's coming pretty darn clean, though.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
I'm going crazy with this water.
We'll wash them when we get home.
I don't know if this is going to come off. Oh, it's already seeped into it.
Yeah, this one's in bad shape. This one's really dirty. And it's been out here a long, long time.
74 years?
Around that, yeah. It's slinging way further than I expected it to.
It's just like, I'm just looking at my arm and then I'm like...
Yeah, when we get done with this one, Ronin, I want to take the camera around and get updates of the ones on this new kids area that we've done already, since it's been a few weeks now since we've done a lot of those. Some of those are looking really good right now. All right, watch your face, bud.
Whoa, isn't that weird?
Just like kind of bleeding down.
Yeah, it's like bleeding.
Go ahead.
Oh. Wow. These mics are gonna break. If this keeps happening like this,
The what's are gonna break?
the mics are gonna break.
Oh, the microphones? Nah, they'll be all right. They're like water resistant and stuff. So,
Water resistant, not proof.
well, they're not getting super wet. Or like pouring down raining out here. Yeah, I'd be concerned. They weren't exactly cheap, but again,
Where's the scraper?
these microphones are what we got from some of our amazing viewers and donators who've decided to help us out. Yeah, this one's cleaning off.
Have a smaller scraper?
I don't think I do anymore.
What happened to it?
I don't remember. I remember putting a couple different sizes in this bucket. Now they're not there anymore.
We had one small one and one medium size.
Yeah, I know. That's the medium size one that you're that you were just using.
Might as well just try this up here.
Yeah, and I apologize. It's been a while since I've been able to upload anything between Ronan's mom traveling and me having him and then work and everything like that. I haven't had a whole lot of time to come out here, so I do apologize. But so those kids on the mini bikes are back out as always.
Like they think they're a little egoistic. Just a little bit. If that's how you say it, which I don't know if it is it?
Egoistic? I don't think that's a word, but I know what you're trying to say, though.
And most people out there should. Did you get those like bamboo little
No, I still haven't. I know.
Yeah, there's nothing except
I'll tell you what, this little thing right here that I use for cleaning weapons is pretty good on these little tight spots.
That?
Yeah.
Well, that would actually probably be pretty good.
And it's not going to do much in here because it's in such a weird
I know what will.
nook.
What happened to the thing that will? Not sitting on it. Right.
This thing?
Yeah, right there.
Go for it. Oh, come on, bug. Get out of my mouth.
Didn't I just give you bug spray?
Yeah, but he went for my face. We didn't spray my face.
Oh, that's probably why.
Did you spray your face?
No. And I did that for a reason.
I feel like we're missing a lot of the good brushes, and I don't know why.
Look at this erosion at the top.
Yeah,
Like,
I mean,
raindrops.
71 years of weather. That'll do it.
Ready?
Ugh, look at all that gunk. Here, let me get the front of this. Watch out, it's gonna swing everywhere, bud. Get the majority of it off. Get the big one, then we'll come in with the letters with the small one.
You ready? Ready for the spray down?
Yeah, go for it.
Ready? We'll start at the lamb.
Hey! Yeah, that looks really good already. All right, while you're doing that, I'll focus more on these letters, okay? The D2 will definitely take care of the rest of the stuff in these nooks and crannies of the lamb's legs and feet and whatnot.
Russell trout. I've never used cone on this. Oh, that isn't working for much of anything. Cone doesn't do jack.
There's another, can't remember if it was a boy or a girl that Ronin found a little further over, and their birth date is July 6th, and their death date, just like this one, July 7th. So I think that's going to be the next one we do. Yeah, this one's coming pretty darn good, Ronin.
Oh. Alright, into the lamb.
Go for it. Hey, glad you're back. I know it's temporary, but I'm glad you came out today. I love you.
I love you too.
I know some people in the comments have been missing you a little butt.
A lot of people.
Yeah, it's been quite a few.
Right next to a cemetery?
Well, it's just like an old car, so.
No, that's an old car that they
Tricked out.
tricked out.
All right.
Move it slightly so that doesn't happen to me. This thing's starting to look good. It's starting to turn orange.
Well, yeah, once we spray it down one more time and then soak it in the D2 in a couple weeks, it's going to look beautiful. This one cleaned up a lot. Your microphone came off. It's in the ground. It's in the grass.
Really?
Need me to put it back on?
Come on, man.
Is the light still on it?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's still recording then. That's fine. Let me make sure mine's on. Oh, I'm like talking about yours being off. Looks like mine's still good. Alrighty.
I'm trying to put this thing on nice. It's not really working.
Someone's setting off fireworks already.
Just work nice.
I'm telling you, the fan is way better, buddy.
I didn't have it pumped up, and I tried cone with it not being pumped up. So now, yeah, that's a lot better. Let me try cone now. That's still not the best. I like fan and stream to get the letters.
I just use fan with a ton of water pressure.
A ton?
But not enough pressure to do any damage. That doesn't have enough pressure to do any damage to the stone. Well, I like that pump. Let's not leave your phone out here. I'll put it in my pocket. Yeah, this one's gonna look good once it's all said and done in a couple weeks.
Since it's on fan.
Ronin, this one's good. Let's go ahead and just spray it with D2, bud.
Alright.
I don't think you're going to get any more out of that.
This one.
Yeah.
It's a triangle now.
Yeah, so right here is all I have left of D2. So I'm definitely going to have to put another order in when we get home today. I've been telling myself to do that for a while, but I keep forgetting. There you go. Make sure you get the lamb really well and the base. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's good, buddy. You're burning that up real quick. Let's go ahead and finish off the D2 in the jug and put it in the sprayer.
Can I? May I?
Yeah, please don't. Try not to spill any of it. Yeah, that's all we have. Okay. I should have brought a funnel out here, but I forgot to. Wasn't thinking. Just go nice and slow.
You know what? I'll just do this around it.
I mean, if you spill some, that's fine, because I can't say that I haven't spilled some myself.
I'm trying to do it like so lightly to where it isn't like, going back and forth on me.
No, you're doing fine.
I haven't spilled much of it.
Hey, there's another little boy with the same last name as that one. I forget what his first, last name was. Gay Senior. This is Gr. Patricia Ann, infant of Gr. and Margaret Gay. Not related because it's not the same mother and father, but I'm going off on a tangent. That bottle might get close to filled up with what we have left. Close to it. Is the jug almost empty though? Looks like it, yeah. Yep. Not bad. More than I thought. All right.
It's a message in a bottle.
That's probably just a print on the bottom. Yeah.
I wasn't being serious.
Oh.
Oh, it's already turning this way, and this is what happens with D2.
Yep. It's supposed to turn orange. For the first
time we did that,
9 months, we were diluting the D2, so we never had the full effect, but
we were diluting it like 70,
quite a bit. All right, so go ahead and read this one more time, Ronin.
Anthony A. Miller, born April 22nd, 1951, died July 7th, 1951.
All right. Rest in peace, Anthony. And for Ronin, I'm Christopher. We are
Virginia Tombstone Revival.
And if you could do us a favor, if you enjoy this type of content, consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. When I look at the analytics, the vast majority of people that watch us are not subscribed. It definitely helps us out.
What is it, like 90%?
I can't remember what it is, the latest analytics.
Check it out and do a voice memo what that is. Like right here.
Either way, the vast majority of people that watch us aren't subscribed, and it really, really, really does help us out. We're at almost 11,500 subscribers, something like that.
So we're gonna have to do math and see if everybody's subscribing.
Ronin. No.
If everybody,
and I know it's like I've always said, it's not about subscribers, but it definitely, since we have been getting more and more subscribers, I'm seeing that it is helping us out as the channel grows. But if you like this type of content, subscribe. If you know anybody that likes this type of content, ask them to subscribe or at least pass the channel on to them. Leave comments, share, like, all that good stuff. But most importantly,
be excellent to each other.
Nailed it. All right, while we're here, I want to, while I'm still recording, I want to get updates on some of the ones we've done. We
need to check up on our ones.
What?
We need to check up on our ones that we just did D2 on.
It's been what? Oh, the ones over there. Oh yeah, you're right.
Right over there.
Infant son of Max and Gertrude Walker.
I don't think it did much of anything.
I
don't see any really bright ones.
Well, let me get these running real quick. Peggy Ann Thaxton, our darling. Brenda L. Carter. I didn't do any of those. Oh, yep, I did these. Yeah, these are looking really good. Derek Kilderman. This one looks really good. Morgan A. Kirkpatrick. John Kevin Clark. Which other ones? Yeah, we did this one. Hubert O. Kelsey III. Looking really good. The lawn crews came out today, it looks like, and put grass all over everything, and I didn't bring my blower. Candy Marie Hedrick. Mary Jessie Connors. If you could get the brush out of the bucket and do that, I really appreciate that. Infant daughter of Clarence and Geneva Miller. This one, if you guys remember the video on this one and how it used to look, this one has come out. This has actually become one of our better before and afters, actually. Nora Jean Roten.
I found the life hack.
You got it slung?
I have it just like...
like the little predator cannon on your shoulder.
Yep.
Um,
That shoots D2.
David John Kohler. And another really, really good outcome. Our darling Stephen Griffey. I think that is all that I've done. Well, there's one way down there, Warren Eugene Scott, that I did a while ago. Oh, yeah, I think I've gotten all the ones that I've cleaned so far out here. But anyhow, Ronin's dusting those off for me because he's awesome. And we are going to move our equipment over that way somewhere and find that other little infant that was born July 6th, whose birthday and death date are coming up in just a couple days. Again, today's July 3rd, 2024. Be excellent to each other.